Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my review of Octagon. In this review, we're going to be taking a close look at Octagon, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to ensure you get the best possible results with Octagon. If at any time within this review you choose to pick up Octagon, you'll be able to do that by clicking on the first link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to my bonus page where you're going to find my bonuses and also where you're going to be able to pick up Octagon. So this is a cloud-based software, and this is actually designed to help newbies get started easily. You are going to be getting access to done for you Clickbank and WarriorPlus affiliate review sites that you can just go ahead, plug in your affiliate links, and then you are good to go. Now we're going to be diving deep into this. We're going to be looking at this. This has been put together by myself and my partner Jake. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, I want you to stick with me in this review while we take a close look at Octagon. Hello and welcome once again to my Octagon review. This is the dashboard, this is the members area, and in a short while we are going to see how this works shortly. But right now I'm going to take you to my bonus pages to show you the custom bonuses you're going to be getting. So it's also important to let you know that this not only gives you access to review sites, you are also going to be getting access to done for you funnels. These are funnels that allow you to promote any affiliate offer, but not only that, it allows you to build your own list by giving away some high value lead magnets. You don't need to search for lead magnets. The lead magnet is also done for you. You are also going to be getting access to bonuses that you can also give away as lead magnets that will make people automatically jump on your list. We are going to get to that in a short while, but this is my bonus page. You're going to find a link to this page in the description of this video. Octagon launches on the 7th of June by 10 a.m. Eastern time. So the first bonus I'm giving away, I'm going to be giving you some of my past products that I've actually created. You're going to be getting access to 0 to 1,000. This was actually created towards the ending of 2020, and this gives you access to cloud-based software that gives you custom affiliate marketing squeeze page templates. Now you don't need to create these templates. You're also going to be getting access to done for you lead magnets to give away. So this allows you to build your list. If you've probably heard this a number of times, that the money is in the list. So this allows you to build your list. You can actually build your list to Aweber, GetResponse, or even build your list inside the cloud-based software, and also export your list to any autoresponder you are using to basically go ahead and follow up with your leads. So you're going to be getting access to these templates. You'll be able to insert your affiliate links and create your own campaigns in less than a minute. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to drive free traffic. This literally allows you to steal traffic from authority sites, authority YouTube channels, and stuff like that. So you are going to be getting access to the pro version of Equinox, and that's bonus number 2. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to Insurgency, and this gives you access to training on how to drive traffic, and also gives you access to resources on how to drive traffic. Now, so we've been talking about traffic. Now, this is a very cool traffic software, and as a matter of fact, you're going to be getting access to the pro version. This has actually been created by a 7-figure affiliate who is actually my own mentor, talking about Joe Armstrong. And also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to bonus number 3, rather, you're going to be getting access to Insurgency, which is a traffic training and also resources. And also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based software with done for you funnels. You're going to be getting access to custom lead magnets to also give away to promote affiliate link with free traffic included, and that's bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, I'm going to be giving you access to Octagon Pro, which is the pro version of Octagon. So if you are purchasing through my link, you don't need to get the pro version, which is the first upgrade you are going to be shown once you purchase the front end. but this is only going to be for the first 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to take this down, and this is not going to be available anymore. So if you pick this up, you need to keep the link somewhere or bookmark it so you don't lose access to this. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, and we've actually put together a ton of bonuses to help you succeed with Octagon. So all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's actually going to take you to the sales page of Octagon. This is where you're going to be able to pick up Octagon and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. And also you'll be getting all the bonuses from me in your members area of Octagon. All you need to do is in your members area of WarriorPlus. So all you need to do is log into WarriorPlus, go through to your purchases. You're going to find Octagon, and then just if you click on that, you'll be able to access your purchase, and also you'll see access affiliate bonus, and that's where your bonuses are going to be waiting for you. So this is the bonus, this is the sales page, and here it tells you using free traffic, automated, done for you, Clickbank and WarriorPlus affiliate review sites generate $276 per day on autopilot, no paying for traffic, no experience needed, no monthly fees. Also, you get to create unlimited campaign if you want to. This comes with done for you campaigns, but not only that, if you want to create yours, you are also free, and you'll be able to do just that. You'll be able to profit in 3 steps. And feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time. This is put together by myself and my partner Jake. So come check out this sales page in your own time. There's a ton of information right here about Octagon, and also this is where you're going to be able to pick up the Octagon cloud-based software. So the front end gives you access to this dashboard. You get access to done for you campaigns. The front end comes with 16 done for you campaigns. You are going to be able to see some statistics talking about how many paid views you have across all your campaigns, how many campaigns have you created by yourself inside your members area, and also how many leads you have in total here, which you'll be able to export from the cloud-based software to any autoresponder you're using. And you're also going to find just a short preview of your recent leads right here. So the first thing you need to do is go to profile, and this is where you are going to be able to insert your affiliate link. You'll be able to give your website a title, insert your affiliate link right here, and also upload a profile picture. A square profile picture would actually fit in the most. Go ahead and upload a square image here, and then you'll be able to save, which is going to update your profile, and then all the done for you campaigns for Clickbank products will be automatically linked to you. Any sales that comes through these campaigns, through these reviews, will be credited to your Clickbank account, basically because all the links become yours. So you can actually click on view, and it's going to open up the review site. You are going to see detailed review. You are also going to see your own profile image, your about you, which you can also go and enter under profile. And then you are going to find a button. You are also going to find the bonuses that will basically help or encourage people to actually take action and actually buy from you. So you're going to be getting access to 8 done for you Clickbank affiliate review sites, talking about product reviews. If you also go to done for you campaigns too, you get access to done for you WarriorPlus product reviews. Now WarriorPlus is a little bit different from Clickbank, because WarriorPlus you will need to get your affiliate link for each product, and then you actually need to apply for your affiliate link, and all you need to do is click on the red button, click on get link. That would open up the JV page for that particular product, and then if you've not requested for approval yet, all you need to do is click on request for approval, And then you can actually add a small note, probably tell them how you intend to do this. You intend to promote through your affiliate sites or wherever it is, however it is you intend to promote, and click on request offer. You're actually going to get your affiliate link, which you can actually come and paste here and click on add link. And you need to do that for each Warrior Plus product. Now, if you go to Done For You Funnels, you actually get access to Done For You Funnels here, which you can actually preview to see how they look. And also, these are fully customizable. You need to click on use template, and then you'll be able to go ahead and customize your template basically. And also, if you go to leads, this is where you'll be able to see all your leads that you have actually captured across all your campaigns and across all your review pages. And then you can actually export this to any autoresponder of your choice. You're also going to get access to training that actually shows you how to drive some high quality free traffic to ensure you get conversions and sales with your review site. And also you get access to all the vendor bonuses that we have actually put together to get you the best possible result with Octagon. So that's the front end, that's the dashboard for the front end. The upgrade gives you access to some extra done for you Clickbank product reviews. So that's it. Now I'm going to take you to the to my bonus page to actually show you the pricing and also the optional upgrades for Octagon. Now the front end goes for a one-time fee of $17. That's one time, and that actually gives you access to the dashboard, this dashboard. And also the first optional upgrade is Octagon Pro, and this gives you access to extra Clickbank product reviews. And you don't need to get this if you're getting you don't need to pick up this first upgrade if you're getting Octagon through my link. Also, OTO number 2, the second upgrade, is the Done For You Turbo campaigns. And what this allows us to do for you is we are going to be sending you 2 Done For You campaigns every single week for the next 1 year, talking about 365 days. You need to have Commission Gorilla in order to use this. So this actually comes with Done For You bonus page, Done For You review video, product demo, and also 5 custom bonuses with your delivery URL done for you and delivered to you every single week. There's a downsell for that goes for $67. OTO number 3 basically allows you to launch Octagon as your own product. This goes for $197. And what this does is you'll be able to work with our team. We are going to be able to put Octagon, the software, on your own hosting. Then you'll be able to change the name, rebrand this as a new software entirely, which you can launch if you want as your own product 100%. Give it your own name, put it on your own domain, and basically 100% customize Octagon. And also the final upgrade, upgrade number 4, is the Octagon reseller that goes for $197. There's a downsell for that goes for $67. And this basically allows you to enjoy 100% commissions across the entire funnel of Octagon, 0 to 1,000, and also Accelerate, which are products that we have actually created in the past, talking about myself and Jake. We also take care of support for you, and also you enjoy total profits across all our high converting funnels. So that's going to be my review for Octagon. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Also, right here on my bonus page, you'll be able to see a full demo of Octagon to see how this works and all the amazing features. So thank you for checking out my Octagon review, and it's bye for now.